local forecast starts now with Chief Meteorologist Eric Finkenbinder.
Well, we are starting to see more and more people enjoying the boardwalk. We go to Ocean City, Maryland, and it is that time of the year. All of a sudden, I've got a desire for boardwalk fries.
Me too. That's a beautiful shot.
Need a tall glass of water for Dennis, too. Or of your choice.
Or something.
Yes. But you know what? If you are going to the beach this weekend, we are going to be warmer. It's 60 degrees. Now, that is because of the cooler ocean waters, but we'll start to see some changes here. And by next Thursday, we're forecasting 90. That's how quickly things are going to be taking shape. Hopefully, we can get some rain in that forecast, too, beyond Thursday. We're just not seeing it right now. So we got Gettysburg, Shippensburg, Millersburg, Red Line. To me, I would take this day, the weather that we had this day, and just have it all summer long. When you have highs near 70, extremely low humidity, I mean, it feels comfortable, and it's one of those nights, you know, you have a campfire ring and just enjoy that with the stars at night. We've got 71 degrees, Mechanicsburg. Speaking of stars, let's take you into our ABC 27 weather app to check the hourlies, something that we update every day, and to show you by tomorrow morning, we return into the 40s. And I still think there'll be a couple of spots in the northern tier of Pennsylvania, not here, but the northern tier of the state still could be seeing some areas of frost. So yeah, we've got some late frost this time of the year for some areas just to our north, and it's all because of this big bubble of high pressure. That's here, and that is what blocks a low moving in our direction for the weekend. Again, I'd love to talk about rain if I could, but this weekend is going to take a dry shape here for us as we see that high. Watch what happens as we have this area of low pressure. And you know what? A dry holiday weekend is a good thing. I know that too. But here we are moving into Saturday, and it still looks like Myrtle Beach area, not the beach location to be enjoying this weekend. They're anticipating like 1 to 3 inches of rain. Moving on throughout Saturday, we're still dry. That high pressure is really just blocking that low. Now notice what happens moving into Sunday morning. We start to see some clouds getting close. That's the only thing that we're discussing. I'm not really all that concerned for rain chances locally. I think this ridge of high pressure is strong enough that it's really going to keep any moisture from getting close to us, which means we're just going to slowly see the temperature increasing. And by Memorial Day itself, 83 for a high. That is a little warmer than average, but then we just keep getting warmer. And there it is, the first time I put 90 on the 7-day this year. That's happening next Thursday, and it's probably not going to be the last by next Friday and maybe even into next weekend. It could be a warm one, and hopefully we'll begin to see this pattern change that we can maybe get some rain around here at some point.
You are a Perry County farmer. How concerned are you about the dryness?
There's a lot of farmers now that are like, okay, now we do really need it if we want to start to see a lot of those crops growing. So
we'll be rooting for that right after the holiday.
that's correct.
How about that?
That's right.
Thanks, Eric.